Hello and welcome to Adventures in Etymology on Radio Omniglot. I'm Simon Ager, and in this adventure we discover what links the word hiatus with yawning. A hiatus is a gap in a series, making it incomplete, an interruption, a break, a pause, or absence, a temporary break from work, especially one that is unexpected, and various other things. It comes from Latin hiatus, meaning a hiatus, opening, gap, aperture, cleft, longing or desire, from hio, meaning to yawn, gape, pause or be amazed, from Proto-Italic hiao, from Proto-Indo-European geh, meaning to yawn or gape. Words from the same roots include
ziati,
meaning to stare, gape or yawn in Slovenian,
ganar,
meaning to gain, earn or win in Spanish,
a cascar,
meaning to yawn or gape in Romanian,
kina,
meaning to gape in Icelandic, and gain, gap, gape, gum, and yawn in English. The word chaos possibly also comes from the same Proto-Indo-European root. It was borrowed from ancient Greek chaos, meaning chaos, the primordial state of existence, space, air, abyss, chasm, or infinite darkness, and is probably related to words like chaos, meaning hole, empty space, or yawning opening, and chaskol, meaning to gape or yawn. The word gas also shares the same roots. It was coined by Dutch chemist Jan Baptist van Helmont in 1648 and was derived from ancient Greek chaos, meaning chaos, etc., and it was possibly also inspired by the Dutch word geest, meaning ghost, spirit or mind, which is related to the English word ghost. You can find a transcript of this podcast, links to further information and other podcasts at radio.omniglot.com. Thank you for listening and or watching, and goodbye.